the real lesson is you have to teach yourself how to like learn on your own. You need to like learn how to think outside the box
Mhm.
and have train yourself to like go into directions of learning, whether it's through books, podcasts, YouTube, talking to people, picking their brain. You need to find the things that people aren't doing and go, what is of value here? Where, like, here's a good example. When you're applying to a job, you might go, like, well, I have my college degree. I got good grades, and here's where I put my application. And look, I even have a referral. Like, I did everything I'm supposed to do. And if I don't get the job, it's just kind of like, well, that's not my fault. I did everything I was told. It's like, well, if you take a second to like think back to it and just like go, what's going on in the situation? You're like, well, there's probably like at least another 100 people applying, all doing the same exact thing as me.
Mhm.
And I could be the smartest, hardest working person in the world. People scan through your resume so quick. So it's like, where do I go to get my edge?
I
And
mean, they might not even scan through your
yeah,
resume.
they probably
You
won't
might
even
get
look at your
filtered.
resume.
Hmm.
Like, I don't like, I wouldn't be surprised if there's 100 resumes. They just grab 20 and they're like, these 10 look good enough. Let's like just fill them, roll and move on. So then doing things like reaching out to people who work at the company, picking their brain, going, if you were in my shoes, what would you do to get the leg up? Because even if they don't really have good advice, it gets them realizing that you're someone who's willing to think outside the box, that you're reaching out to them and asking them those types of questions where they're more likely to throw you a bone and be like, yeah, let's like make sure this resume like gets through. Like this person seems at least worth talking to.